Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Pragya. Today's video is going to be very interesting. We have a challenge on our hands and I'm supposed to make an outfit in a night, or maybe to be precise, half an outfit in a night. I think that's doable, no? So I have kind of challenged myself to make maxi skirt in a night. Okay, let me break this challenge down to you guys, what it is and what I'm blabbering about. So I have an upcoming trip and I need an outfit for that, and that outfit is supposed to be a maxi skirt.
So I kind of recorded this whole blabbering session, and I didn't check that my mic was not working. So here I'm basically showing you guys the fabric that I'm using. It's a Amazon sari that I got for like 300 something. I got two saris in the beginning, and later I got one another sari, and then I'm basically describing you what I'm actually planning, like how I'm planning to make this skirt. So basically I'm making a 5-tiered maxi skirt. All the tiers will have equal length, and I'm going to basically cut each tier around 8 inches lengthwise, and they sorry height wise, and they will all have 5 meters length. This video, frankly, is going to be a bit boring because there is nothing much to talk about except cut straight strips of fabric and gather them and sew them. That's it. And yeah, lots of gathering, lots of sewing, lots of hemming. That's going to be a pattern, and yeah, that's it. I've summed up all the things that we're going to do in this video just now. But don't click away, yaar. Stay till the end. Stay and wait for the result. Give your critique. Think. And right now, I'm just finding up my bobbin thread. I don't know how much I'm audible. My mic is also off. So we are done with our gathering of first sari. See, so pretty. Nice. I have loads and loads of this. This is one layer, this is one layer, and this is one layer. So this has only one strip of the fabric, and these two have two strips of the fabric. I will just try to assemble everything.
So this is what we are working with. This is what we have so far. तो अभी 3 बज गए हैं और 2 घंटा निकल गया है एंड आई एम स्टिल नॉट डन तो छोड़ो, आई एम नॉट इवन हाफ वे देयर। अभी तक सिर्फ 2 लेयर हुआ है। आई हैव 3 मोर टू गो एंड उसके अलावा फिनिशिंग करना, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फिनिश इट टुनाइट। इट्स गोइंग टू टेक मी some time, यार। So That's it. We have lost the challenge. Let's wrap it up. So yesterday was very tough. It was challenging, and I had kind of set up myself for failure by declaring this video as a challenge. And मेरे को ये realize हो गया after 2 hours of working on this maxi skirt. मेरे को realize हो गया कि okay ठीक है, this is not going to happen in a night. I think I need 3 nights to do this. So yeah, we have kind of upgraded our challenge from making a skirt in a night to making the skirt in 3 nights. Also, the thing is that मैं पूरी रात काम नहीं कर रही हूँ. I start around 12 or 1, and then I work till 3 or 4 at max. So 2 hours, 3 hours every night. So it's okay. It's all right. I'm using some cheat codes here, but ठीक है, चलेगा. Guys, it's going to be a long night because look at this. Look at this. I have to gather all of these fabric and oh my god, I have been just gathering and stitching, just gathering and stitching. It's just such a repetitive task. It's going to be a long night. And there's nothing fun to record as well. So I'm not sure what to record, what to not record. Should I record every stitch? Because there's nothing interesting about this stitching. It's just gathering and sticking fabrics together. So here's time lapse. Of the update, I have 3 tiers done. This is going to be my 4th tier. I think I would need one more 5 meter strip of the fabric for this. यहाँ पे मेरे पास 15 meters हैं. I think I need one more strip of the gathered, but वो कल देखा जाएगा जब कल तीसरी साड़ी आ जाएगी. And yeah, मेरी 2 साड़ी exhaust हो गई. This is the second साड़ी mostly, and God, I don't know how everything got exhausted so quickly. Thank God that मैंने आज दिन में order कर लिया साड़ी को, like third साड़ी. So वो कल आ जाएगा hopefully thanks to Amazon Prime. बाकी का कल देखा जाएगा. आज के लिए तो I'm done filming. I'm going to go have dinner. अभी 2 already बज चुका है. And what I will do next? मैं बस इसको जो मैं 4th लेयर है उसको मैं अटैच करने का देखूंगी. इसको मैं एटलीस्ट आई विल ट्राई टू फिनिश दिस अटैचिंग 4th लेयर जितना भी होता है अटैच करने का. And what's next? Then I have to figure out the inner lining as well. I have one fabric. I don't know if that's going to match or not, but hopefully that should be okay because time तो है नहीं हमारे पास अभी और fabric ढूंढने का, लेने का और बनाने का, because कल ही बस आखिरी दिन है. परसों I had to leave, so पहले ही मुझे कल तक सब रेडी चाहिए. So right now, after 4 layers, it's looking something like this. And if you had noticed, I've removed all the gatherings from the first tier, and I have this much of fabric. So मैंने ऐसा इसलिए किया because 2 साड़ियाँ लग चुकी है इसमें, and if I keep all of these gathering of the first tier, तब भी I don't think कि 3 साड़ी में भी ये हो पाएगा. ये फुल स्कर्ट कंप्लीट हो पाएगा because गैदरिंग इतना पतला गैदरिंग है कि इतना सारा गैदरिंग हो जा रहा है कि सर्कमफ्रेंस बहुत बढ़ जा रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा, एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल. और मैंने यहाँ पे सिलाई भी थोड़ी ठीक नहीं की है, जो कि आई थिंक आई नीड टू रीडू दिस होल एरिया. या बट दैट्स अनदर थिंग. तो मेन पॉइंट मेरा यही है, मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन अभी का, कि मैं ऊपर के लेयर को, जो कि मेरा फर्स्ट लेयर होगा, इसको I will not keep it like this. I will have some gathering but very less gathering. And ये जो मेरे पास लेयर्स बच गए हैं इनको मैं रीयूज करके एंड का लास्ट लेयर बनाऊंगी या आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई विल डू but we can't have this much gathering. This is too much. It's getting very heavy. It's getting very bulky. It's not easy to handle and definitely not easy to maneuver around sewing machine. So I think that is going to be a wise decision. Yep, this is okay. इधर मैंने और भी गलतियां की हैं जैसे कि मैंने ये दोनों लेयर की जो सिलाई है ये सही सिलाई हुई है बट इस लेयर की पहले लेयर की सिलाई में जो सिलाई अंदर होना चाहिए था वो सिलाई बाहर है एंड इट्स जस्ट रॉन्ग. जय गणपति बप्पा. You should definitely not do what I am doing. I'm just kind of winging this whole skirt. So yeah, that's what's happening. It's at this stage from the back, it's looking a bit more messy than the front. So for the lining, मैं इस फैब्रिक की बात कर रही थी. It's a nice synthetic fabric. I'm just mad that it's synthetic. Okay, and I think I have good amount of it. I'm just going to make a circle skirt out of it. It's not going to be that difficult. Let me see how it looks from underneath with the lining. Yeah, it's fine. This actually matches pretty well. Wow, I'm shocked. I knew that this would work for this, but I didn't knew that this would be such a good match. So that's strange and blessing. Cool. So what do we next? What do we do next? Shall we cut inner lining? And yeah, let's start fixing it because it's already what time is it? I don't know. Okay, my phone is there. I'm looking for time. So it's already 5 a.m. and आज Thursday हो चुका है. So I think before going to bed, I think I will finish the inner lining and I will try to finish these two things at least. Let's not go overboard. Hello everyone. So it's day 3 and I have one good news and one bad news. Good news is कि third साड़ी आज deliver हो गई and bad news is कि सारा का सारा साड़ी लग गया है and this one layer missing from this side and from this side and I have only this much of fabric. तो अभी मेरे को पता नहीं कि इससे कितना कवर होगा और ज़्यादा चांस लग रहा है कि कवर नहीं होगा. तो उस सिनेरियो में व्हाट आई विल डू इज मेरे को टर्मिनोलॉजीज नहीं समझ आ रही कि कैसे बताऊं. बेसिकली कि ट्रायंगल शेप में काटेंगे तो ऊपर का कमर का साइज हमारा सेम रहेगा एंड इधर भी ऑलरेडी हमारे पास बहुत फ्लेयर है. लाइक इट्स वे टू मच फ्लेयर जिसमें सारा साड़ी लगा है. So that's why we have so much flare. So that's blessing in disguise. We can say कि अगर पूरे फैब्रिक से कवर नहीं होता है then I can cut some section of the skirt and then we have less area to cover and we can obviously reuse some of them. So hoping for the best and yeah, let's get started. Let me sew this up. at this point I don't think I can call this maxi skirt. Like मेरे को इसको लहंगा बोलना पड़ेगा because of the sheer weight and sheer amount of the fabric. Oh God. But so pretty. I'm so happy with how this has turned out. This is exactly what I had envisioned, but I had not envisioned the amount of fabric that is going to be used in it and the time that it will take. By the way, on the challenge front, the first day I said कि एक रात में बनाना है, but I realized uh, the logistics of this. So then I said कि 3 दिन में बन जाना चाहिए, and it did. 3 दिन में it's done. अभी सुबह के 6 साढ़े 6 कुछ बज रहे हैं and मैंने just अभी इसको wrap up किया है और it's ready to be taken on my trip.
So I'm back from my trip and you just saw the clips of me wearing this in Chittorgarh Fort, and I'd say that it was as comfortable as a maxi skirt of this much flare could be. It has quite a lot of flare but it was very comfortable wearing it, and I would say that I have a few things to add or update in this design, which I will do in some another video. Like I'm thinking of making a series where I kind of update or add few things to, or maybe remake few of my old designs. So I will include this one's upgrade in that video series that will come in 2025. Also, another thing that I want to add is that I have learned a very important lesson while making this design, is that never underestimate a simple design. Never ever. Like I have always done that, but maybe from this one's experience, I will not put myself in that position where I am underestimating the simple design, because for this one, I underestimated the time that it is going to take, I underestimated the fabric that it will take, and it was a lot. It was a lot. But thankfully I got it done before my trip and I got to wear it on my trip, so a win is a win. Do tell me in the comment section how you like this skirt. Do you like it? Do you don't? And I'll see you in another video with another fun design. Bye.
We kind of have a challenge, challenge, Papa, challenge, not challenge.
So my mic needs a little charging and my camera needs some stability.
Uh-oh.